Hi, I'm Catherine. I love plants, pottery, puns, and bullet journaling. I definitely got into bullet journaling by accident. By now, it's become a really important creative tool in my life that also helps me stay organized and focused. My two favorite things. It has taken me a lot of practice to get where I am today. So I made this class so that you can jump right into bullet journaling and you don't have to suffer through as many ugly pages as I had to. I've designed all the spreads for you to set up your bullet journal and to keep planning for up to 3 months. And we'll go through everything step by step so that you can instead focus on making your bullet journal a really valuable resource for yourself. It's serious training wheels. By the time you're done with this class, bullet journaling will no longer be intimidating to you, and you'll be able to continue on with it like the true champion that you are. So if you're ready to get organized and creative, come on in and join me for getting started with bullet journaling.